All right, so I'm on number 7, and it says Terrell went to the bank when he got his paycheck. He had $315.45 in his bank account, and he deposited $357.55 check. Terrell withdrew $150 he left before he left the bank. How much money does Terrell have in his bank account now? So we have a lot of vocabulary here, and we're going to be talking about this the rest of the week. But since we haven't technically talked about it yet, I wanted to go ahead and kind of walk you through this problem. So we actually do have Terrell, and he's doing some actions. So this is definitely a window pane kind of question. So I'm going to go ahead and make my window pane. It says Terrell went to the bank when he got his paycheck. So we all know that a paycheck is something that gives you the amount of money that you earned. And it says he had a $315.45 in his bank account already. So that sounds like, so he had some money already. And the word deposited means to put in. So you're going to be adding money to the bank account. When you withdraw, that means you take out. Take out. So we want to know how much money does he have left in his bank account, or how much money does Terrell have in his bank account now. So I'm going to underline that, and I'm going to start with Terrell has blank in account now. I'm going to put a little dollar sign here to remind me that this is money that we're talking about. So I'm going to draw a picture of what's happening. So if I had this bank account, I have $315.45 already there. You deposit, so you add in this amount here. So we're adding $357.55. So the next thing we want to know, well, what is the total in the bank account? So that would be like step 1. Step 2 is to withdraw some money. So once you have your account total, you have that number that's going to be represented here, the total, and you are going to withdraw $150. And withdraw means subtract. So we want to know what is left. We want to know this amount here. So this is basically a 2-step problem. And if we wanted to think about turning this into a GMA, we could. But for right now, I want you to think about, well, what could your answer be? We could do a quick estimate here of about, we have about $300 plus about another almost $400 that we're putting together, and then we're going to withdraw the $150. So if we wanted to do a very quick estimate, that would be about 700 minus 150, which would give us about 550. So our answer would be, within that range. Not, these are all definitely high and low estimates compared to what we're talking about, but that kind of gives you a range. All right, I want you to go ahead and solve this on your own, and I want you to get an exact amount.